Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make the Matcha Swiss Roll. In this video, there are two options of the filling. One is the red bean whipped cream. The other one is matcha cream with fresh blueberries. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. Line an 11 by 11 inch baking pan by tarpaulin. Both are available from Amazon. Separate eggs now. Refrigerate the egg whites and let the yolks sit at room temperature. Preheat oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Whisk oil with milk together. Add egg yolks. Whisk to combine. Sift in flour and matcha powder. Whisk to combine until the mixture is smooth without clumps. Beat egg whites in a clean bowl at high speed. Add 1/3 sugar from the side when the egg whites become foamy. Add another 1/3 of sugar. When the egg whites become a bit thick, add the rest of sugar and continue to beat. Turn to medium speed and beat until the egg whites reach firm peaks. Small hook of egg whites at the tip of beater. Pour 1/3 of the egg whites into the batter. Whisk and fold gently to incorporate. Pour the incorporated batter back into the egg whites. Using a spatula, fold the mixture from bottom, then cut in the center while turning the bowl to incorporate. Pour the mixture back to the first bowl, then use the same stroke to fold and cut to incorporate. Pour the batter into the baking pan now. Scrape and level the top of batter. Tap baking pan on the counter to remove air bubbles. Place the baking pan onto another pan and bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. You prepare the whipping cream now. Melt matcha powder with hot water first. Beat icing sugar and whipping cream first. Add matcha paste into the whipping cream and continue to beat until stiff. Another option is to mix sweetened canned red bean with the whipping cream. Fold to combine. Remove cake from oven. Drop on baking pan to release hot air. Slide the cake out and let it cool on the cooling rack for about 10 minutes. Cover the cake with a piece of parchment paper to prevent it from drying out. Flip the cake over and remove the tarpaulin. Cover the cake with another piece of parchment paper and flip the cake over. Remove the parchment paper on top. Slant a knife at about 45 degrees to cut the far edge of cake. Trim off vertically the edge of cake close to you. Spread red bean whipped cream on. Thin the whipped cream to the 1-inch space closer to you. Roll some of the parchment paper closer to you by a rolling pin, then lift and roll the cake while twisting the rolling pin like this. Pull the parchment paper underneath to tighten the cake. Then refrigerate the cake for at least 2 hours. Here is the nicely rolled matcha cake with red bean whipped cream. Let's make the other option of the Matcha Swiss Roll now, spreading the matcha whipped cream on. Leave about an inch of empty space close to you, then place 2 lines of blueberries on top. Roll some parchment paper at the beginning, then lift the rolling pin to roll the cake. Pull the parchment paper underneath to tighten. Then refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Let's slice the roll cake now. Dip a knife in hot water, then wipe dry. Cut off one edge. Dip the knife in hot water and wipe dry again, then cut the other edge. Always dip the knife in hot water, then wipe dry for every cut. The Matcha Swiss Roll with matcha cream and blueberry is now ready. Let me try a bite. So yummy! The Matcha Swiss Roll with red bean whipped cream is delicious and pretty as well. Enjoy your Matcha Swiss Roll today!